My name is Bill Whitehurst. The name of my firm, Whitehurst Mergers and Acquisitions, is a business brokerage firm, and we're located in Dallas, Texas. The main activity of our business is representing business owners and selling their companies. In many situations or many instances, the question has come up, is the business owner of a specific company selling a business, a bona fide existing entity, or are they really just selling a job? An example, in a business in which the owner's cash flow, that is the owner's net profit before taxes and salary, totals up to say $100,000 or less, after debt service to the bank to buy the business, to pay the loan to buy the business, the question becomes, is that buyer really buying a business, or are they just assuming a job and having to buy a business or pay the money down to buy a business to get this job? If the net, cumulative net to a new owner is say $70,000 or less after paying debt service on that business, then what they're really buying, or what it could be construed as what they're really buying, is just a job. And in that situation, many buyers will say, well, if I wanted to buy a job, I just go back in the job market and find me a $70,000 job sooner or later. There's no reason for me to pay $200,000, $250,000 to buy a job. The way to reconcile this issue for many business owners is to get busy and to get their sales, profits, and the resulting owner's cash flow up to a reasonable level, and I will use at least $150,000 a year, $200,000 a year, in which the buyer can say, I'm really buying a business. After paying debt service, I'm going to have enough to live on and have enough cushion left over if I get in trouble to take care of those issues. My name is Bill Whitehurst, Whitehurst Mergers and Acquisitions, and I'm in Dallas, Texas.